Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this chapter we will consider the power receptacle or outlet and the mechanical equipment as the main topic and identifying everything related to it to cover all the small loads designing and installation. Before we starting the single line diagram, let's start. In the beginning, what is the power outlet or power receptacles? The power receptacles, the term power receptacle basically refers to the electrical outlet. They are devices that allow electrical operated equipment to be connected to the primary alternating current power supply in the building. In short term or short definition, I can define that the electrical outlet or electrical power receptacle or the safety terminal allow any device to be connected to the electrical power of the building. After we define the outlet or power receptacle, let's also identify the type of the outlet. I can classify the outlet for this type. Here, this is a power outlet as we define. And here the type of the outlet also internet outlet and also the telephone outlet. And here this is a TV outlet. And also I can classify the power outlet to this type, the single pole outlet, and also there a double pole outlet and waterproof outlet and floor box outlet. Here for this internet and telephone and TV outlet we will make a chapter to talk about all details related to it. Also here I classify the electrical outlet depending on their shapes. There are currently 15 types of electrical outlet plug in use today, each of which has been assigned a letter by the United States Department of Commerce International Trade Administration (ITA), starting with A and moving through the alphabet. These letters are completely arbitrary and they don't actually mandate anything. See here, this is a type A and this is a type B and C and D and so on. The type A is often used in the United States of America and Canada and Mexico and Japan. And here is the shape type B used also in the United States of America and Canada and Mexico and Japan. And here this type C used in Europe and South America and Asia. And here this D is only used in India. And here the type E is used in France and Belgium and Poland and Slovakia and Croatia. And here this type F is used in Europe and Russia, respectively the United Kingdom and Ireland. And the type G is used in United Kingdom and Ireland and Malaysia and Singapore. And the type H is used in Israel and the West Bank and the Kerch Strait. And also here this type I is used in Australia and China and Argentina. And here the J type is used in Switzerland and Rwanda. And here this type K, Denmark and Greenland. And also the type L is used in Italy and Chile. And the M shape is used only in South Africa. And the shape N is used in Brazil. And here the shape is used in Thailand. Let's move to the power outlet wiring. See here, they have two types, the single pole outlet and the duplex outlet. Here in this single pole, we have three plugs, one for neutral and one for line or live and one for earth. I connect the line to L and the neutral to the N and earth for the earth here, see, and I can also make chamber to the next outlet. Here this is a duplex outlet. Also here it have only three plugs and here it have also internal wiring. only connect L to the line, and N to the neutral, and E to the earth. And also I can connect the earth to the wall box or the middle box. If I have 3 group or 4 group of outlet, of course the wiring will be in the parallel connection. And here also this is a shape of the floor box. See here, you can make the finishing of the top of the floor box same with the finishing of the floor. See here, this type have one outlet and this type have duplex outlet, and here this type have many of outlet in addition to extra low voltage outlet. For the calculation or calculating the power of electrical outlet, there are no specific rule, because may we not sure which equipment or source will feeding from the plug or socket. But if we are know exactly which equipment may feeding from the socket, then we can use tables like this for estimation the power outlet. See here, for example, for the office or desktop computer, the standard is 200 watt, and also the laptop is 100 watt, and LCD monitor 100 watt, and the medium consumption 7 watt. And here this is a laundry closest dry electrical 3000 watt, and here the closest dry gas 1800. And see here for the kitchen the blender is 500, and also the every power for microwave, for example 1000 watt, and here oven electric 1200, and so on. And can use this table or any table. Don't worry, I will attach for you PDF that consists of consumption board for many of electrical equipment. Here, and according to my previous experience, I made this 10 point you must consider it before starting make any design for electrical or outlet. Number 1, consider that the normal power outlet estimation is 200 watt or 180 kVA. Number 2, don't connect outlets more than 1.5 kilowatt. I mean the circuits. That means if I consider the socket is normal power outlet, I must not connect more than 7 outlets together in one circuit. Number 3, any loads have a motor must be a single circuit. That means the refrigerator or the air conditioner must be single circuit. The home run must be specific for the circuit, not connected to any board receptacle. And then number 4, to avoid the volt drop, the distance between the distribution panel and the last point should be not more than 25 meters. Number 5, you can install the conduit under the floor. Number 6, the exposed conduit should be EMT material. Number 7, for the wet area you should use water resistant outlet. With the minimum requirement for this outlet is IP43 or 43. Number 8, it is preferred to use indicator lamp. Also, don't forget to put the labels. I will show you this in the picture. Number 9, to start distribution the power layout, it is important to work the architect layout included with furniture. That means I will demand from the architect engineer the distribution of the furniture. Number 10, it is important also to coordinate with the mechanical equipment and extra low voltage system. I will show you all this figure in the next drawing design or the next design drawing for the power outlet. Finally, this is a most common symbols used in the power layout. See here, this symbol refers to duplex outlet 230 volt 20 ampere one phase, or I can mention here this is 13 ampere, and also this is a duplex outlet with ground ball circuit interpreter, and here this receptacle for water heater, and also here this is a floor box or floor mounted outlet, and here this is a ceiling mounted outlet, and here this outlet is specific for hand drive, and here this is a symbol of junction box, and also this is a symbol for disconnect switch. Now we arrive to the end of this lecture, and in the next lecture we will start to design for the power receptacle or electrical outlet.